Google Forms provide a great way to gather lots of information from students, parents, and other teachers. But did you know you can also turn a Google Form into a self-grading assessment? Sometimes you need to get a quick read on how your students are doing in order to differentiate or drive your instruction more effectively. Turning a Google Form into an auto-graded quiz allows you to do that quickly and easily. Let's create an exit ticket assessment on adding using the quiz feature in Google Forms. We are going to start the exact same way we start any form, from Google Drive in the folder that you want the form to be located. Let's start by adding a title here, and then clicking the title box in the top left so your file will be named in both places. Don't forget to always put a question for the student's name. If you would like to be able to sort by last name, we recommend adding a question for first name and a separate question for last name. Also, if you will be using this form with multiple classes, you might want to add a question for section or period. Although you can always go back to a form you have already created and make it a quiz, we suggest that you enable the quiz feature before typing your questions if possible. Click the Settings gear and then choose Quiz. Toggle the button here to turn on the quiz feature in your form. Note that this only enables the quiz feature for this particular form. You have a few options when creating a quiz, such as what students can see after they submit and when they can see their quiz scores. We'll talk more about some of these options in our next micro course. Let's go ahead and continue creating our first quiz. The Google Forms auto-grade feature will work best with multiple choice questions. It also works with short answer questions, but there are some strategies that we'll share in a moment if you're interested in auto-grading short answer questions. Let's first create a multiple choice question. If you are brand new to forms and do not yet know how to create basic forms and questions, you'll probably want to pause from this course and visit our Basic Forms micro course. Once you have your multiple choice question and answer options, click the word Answer key in the bottom left of the question box. Click on the correct answer so it turns green, and then enter your point value for this question in the top right of the box. Now click Edit Question to exit the Answer key view so you can edit or add more questions to the quiz. Repeat these steps as you add your multiple choice questions to set the correct answer for each question. Now let's add a short answer question. Click the plus sign to add a new question, and then click the arrow next to the type of question. Choose Short Answer. Type in your question, and then click Answer key. For a short answer question that we want to auto-grade, you're going to want to type in all of the answers that you will accept as correct. We should reiterate here that this is the part that makes auto-grading short answer questions a little bit more tricky, but it can be done. Just make sure to enter all answers you will accept as correct and check the box to mark all other answers incorrect. If this task seems too difficult because there is such a wide variety of responses that could be accepted as correct, we suggest grading those particular questions manually, or changing it to a multiple choice question to make it simpler for forms to grade for you. Check the box to mark all other answers incorrect, and give it a point value. Then click Edit Question to take you back again. Notice you can see the acceptable answers in green. You are now ready to send your quiz to your students. Click the Send link and copy and paste the link in whatever way you use to get links to your students. In the next Forms Quiz micro course, we will show you the options for sharing your quiz with your students. This concludes our first micro course on creating an auto-graded quiz in Forms.